Super simple stamping hack for new card makers or new stampers. And this is a question I've gotten a lot. A lot of times for new people, they have a hard time getting a clear image. And this happens especially with clear stamps. If you take a white eraser, or even a cloth, and go over the stamping surface of the whole set, I typically do the whole set so I know if I've used one stamp, that's all done. It's going to remove the manufacturing residue from that stamp, and it's going to help it to take ink a little bit better. Another hack is using a stamp positioner or stamp platform or a MISTI. There's a few different brands of these, and clearly I wasn't paying attention to get this in frame, but use that, and you can double or triple stamp it to make sure that you get a good coverage with the ink. You'll find this is especially helpful with solid stamps. Those are the ones that have the biggest issues, or at least are the ones that are noticed the most. Happy stamping, and I hope this helps.